Decode Design Masters, a signature micro-series featuring thought leaders and brands that represent the best in architecture and interiors design. We all know that design is about personal style, and ICA helps architects work it into spaces that they design. Their range of exquisite Italian wood finishes make it the preferred choice for leading designers and decor brands across the world. At ICA, good taste shows.
The intricate art of adding finesse to spaces using surfaces. Cecile DeMille once said, "The art of storytelling is the most important art form in the world." And I think for us at Studio Designing, we find that to be a very important element. We try and tell a story for each and every project that we work with. Luxury living in finesse is a state of mind. It's actually an attitude which you need to bring forth to your lifestyle. It is about translating personal values, cultures, and identities and creating something which is very specifically for your own identity. The house that we designed in Chennai, it was a house which was for 4 generations living in the same space, where we took every surface, every wall was treated as a surface. It sort of tells this story of an awe-inspiring walk when you go from one space to another, and it draws you from one space to another while inviting you and being a part of this entire journey. It's sort of a melange of materials where we've used material, we've used color, we've used different elements to bring together this entire brief of luxury understated.
Innovation and creativity are integral to design. Keeping up with the sensibility, we are able to develop a diverse range of PU coatings called as Finezza. With Finezza, we are able to offer finishes in clear, textures, solid colors, and metallic shades. Picking the right finish for a problem. I'd like to interpret that question slightly differently. We at STI don't think there are any problems in a project. We find that it's important to pick a solution for a particular issue that may happen in a specific project. Here I'll talk about this corporate campus that we've designed for Arcgate in Udaipur. It was for a very young client where the problem, if you want to call it that, was more intangible rather than tangible. So here we used surfaces as a strong medium of communications, which created a sense of identity for the 3,000 odd Argatians working here. We've used color very interestingly. We've infused color through glass panels using various films, and we've ended up differentiating and using different materials with color as well.
Surface finishes have the best effect when used right, creating an unparalleled sense of fluidity combined with creativity and smart engineering is what ultimately adds finesse to a space. In addition to this, collaborating with designers who put innovation at the forefront is a great way to add an edge to your designs. To make the correct choice, opt for a surface arrangement that meets your functional needs and spatial use. And of course, personal choice makes a great play here too.
Building durability with wall finishes. Here I'll take the opportunity to talk about it with 2 different vistas. One is physical durability, one is visual durability. A project that comes to my mind with respect to visual durability would be this hotel project that we've done in Udaipur called Lake End, which has been modeled on the story of India modern. For this project, we've used wall surfaces and textures which we've drawn from the rich cultural heritage that comes from rural India, traditional India. We've used various Indian methodologies like teakri, beaten metal work to put together an interesting melange of materials, surfaces, and textures.
With Finezza, we are able to give sheen levels from brilliant gloss to semi-gloss to matte. It also has more than 2,600 solid colors and large numbers of metallic shades.
We look at the other aspect of durability, which is physical durability. For that, we talk about a project that we've done in Mumbai called The Den, which is an AV Excellence Center. The site presented us with a very interesting situation where the site was in the basement with no natural light, no natural ventilation. And we used that to our advantage to convert it into the story for the project. We've used the choicest of materials in terms of textured walls through paint, which is a concrete paint, and we've used ribbed glass and black metal members to complete the experience of the man cave within this space.
Keeping up with the innovation, under Finezza we have been able to develop a range for light-sensitive veneers in wood, which protects it from yellowness and fading. Finezza is the most versatile finish for every design need.
Adding a touch of luxury and glamour to homes is now a big part of the modern Indian aesthetic, but this isn't always an easy task. Exquisite finishes and minimal lines with contemporary details are the basic features of any elegant design style today. Having said that, if the core of your space, which is your surfaces, are protected, well coated and impactful, it's enough to turn up the volume without having to resort to a complex set of architectural elements.
Most design solutions are thoughtful, and this becomes so much easier with the right pick of surface finishes. Finesse and elegance are the unbeatable marks of good taste. Top these up with durability, and you have a home that tells the intimate story of its residents.